explain it. I'm so into you,
Me neither.
Imani did.
Imani got a hole in one on that one.
Did she get it?
No, almost.
Nee.
You have to get it on this side and then it turn over. Just go. Make it in.
my dreams are made of. Let's stay together, you and me, boy. Doesn't no one like you around, oh baby.
Walking back. How'd the pictures with the work plan? Okay, Sandy. Hit it hard. Bang. Okay, Adrian, hit it hard.
Bro, I thought I had that one. Woo! You got it, Adrian.
You got it.
Oh, I hate the wall.
Oh.
Come on, Pop.
You got it. Hit it hard. Bop. Close.
No. Niggas not ball folk.
Tati, you gotta line it up, girl. RJ, where are we at? What is this called? Barron's Landing? Barefoot Landing. We're at Barefoot Landing. I've been here before, a long time ago though. I've been here before. Oh, all the damn products. Oh.
Drink it.
Hey everybody.
Just drink something. You always want to have it. Where's Pop at? Adrian?
We're looking for ice cream. I need me some ice cream.
You need to buy me more Powerades.
I wish we had blizzards. Blizzard.
Oh my god, from just sitting down.
Okay, so today we're at the beach. Myrtle Beach. We're in North Myrtle. We're about to go parasailing. It should be fun. Check out my bathing suit. I got this bathing suit from Shein and this cover up from Shein. Lots of Shein. Yeah, it's really cute. Water's pretty cute.
Made up. Let's stay together, you and me, boy. There's no one like you around, oh baby.
It's so pretty out here. I can put my shade on. Super windy out here.
Smoking weed whenever we breathe. Every time you kiss me, don't say that you miss me. Just come get me. Don't know why, just know I want to. Don't know why, just know I want you. I'd rather be breaking things with every
Being at Tanger, shopping at Tanger outlets. Oh, it's Michael Kors. I just bought a whole bunch of makeup, as you can see. It's a cute area. But yeah. Found some cute stuff. I'm trying to go buy some clothes. So, I just came from Tanger Outlets. I went shopping. I'm in Myrtle Beach, and I bought like a whole bunch of cute stuff. So I'm gonna do like a mini haul of everything that I bought. So I bought this this Tom Ford Rose Prick perfume. Oh my god, it smells so amazing. This reminds me of this smell, you know, when MAC used to have perfumes and they used to just have a line of perfumes. I loved all of those MAC perfumes. They smell so delicious. So this is what this Tom Ford one reminds me. It's so strong. Like, I love kind of masculine, feminine. Like, I love unisex sprays. It's just like masculine, but then it's like sweet and feminine. I love those smells that like make a presence when you walk in the room. So I definitely love this, and I love when the pheromones like is like, depending on who you are, like smells different on everybody. So I love that because nobody could ever truly have your smell. So this is definitely amazing. I'm actually about to open this and use them real quick. It just smells so delicious. I was wearing Gucci Guilty today, but I'm gonna have to throw this over there because it smells so it smells so freaking delicious. Oh, look at that. I would do that. So freaking delicious. Oh, what? But why I come? You know what? It's cute though. Cute. I'm waiting on my husband, so. Ooh. Freaking delicious. Here's the box. You put it in, and then this. Like that. It smells so freaking good. I went to the cosmetic company store. If you ladies know anything about that store, they always have discounted prices. I also bought this Tom Ford foundation. This is definitely my summer color. I'm really dark and I tanned a whole lot this summer. You know, nice and chocolatey. This is in 12.0 Madagascar. No, Macassa. Tom Ford Soleil. This is 12.0. I believe this was the darkest color. I don't know. But there was a couple of like brown colors. Like it was like warm nutmeg. Let me show y'all. And this is what it looks like. How cute, right? Cute. And as you can see, how dark it is. Looks like it matches me, right? It's really chocolate. Like it's so like it's like dark chocolate. I love it. So pretty and velvety, but cute. I put some on my hand. Ooh, I'm a little ashy, but yeah. Excuse my hand. I was like trying out lipsticks. And then they have, so I got that foundation. Let me put this back in the bag. Y'all won't see it on my wheel. Okay, so got this foundation. And then I also got some MAC. I got a whole bunch of MAC lipsticks. So cute, right? I just needed some more lipsticks because like all of my makeup videos, I just feel like it's all nude makeup. I mean, that's what's in style now. But I just feel like I have hella nude makeup looks. I'm like, let me switch it up. Let me throw some reds. I love reds. I love nudes. And oh, I got this gold one too. This shit right here. Ooh, baby girl, this is like gold. Like Oh my freaking god. Like, gold. Look at that. Look at just how that made my lip glow. I just put it on top of my lip like that. Glowy. Of course, I'm putting some gloss on it, but that was cute. This color is Spoiled Fabulous. That's this color. So, got all these lipsticks. And then since I spent a certain amount, they gave me a free cute little Estee Lauder baggie with products and stuff in it. And so now we're at Alligator Adventure. Looks super cool. We're about to see the alligators. Cute lemurs.
That's a 13-footer.
Alligators are huge.
That's the big ass motherfucker.
RJ, look at him.
Hey guys.
He's hard. He's all day.
Good to see you. Show coming soon.
So we're about to watch a gator show. Gator show.
The thing.
Some alligators.
Should be fun.
See them do some tricks.
Let's see how it goes.
It's a view.
They got liquor coming out.
Flamingo, we see you bathing. We see you taking a bath. It's funny watching y'all open the door.
Thoughts of you run through my head every time that I'm near you. I realize that you're heaven sent.
All the ice cream. I just tried banana pudding right there. That's good. But this is my favorite. Blueberry cheesecake. So delicious. All the ice creams are sugar-like. Delicious.
I keep forgetting.
So we had a really long day today. We went to Alligator Adventure. And I went shopping today at Tanger Outlets. Had a really good time. Now, about to wind down, relax, and eat. Just got some food from the Cosmetic Belgrave. So, yeah, until tomorrow. We're about to drink and stuff and chill. See how
What it is, boy.
She's banging.
So now we're about to go skating. We're supposed to go fishing this morning. So, but they canceled it because of the sea conditions. So now we're going skating. I got the ski hat on. My boots. Should be fun. I'm waiting on everybody to come get ready to go. Okay, so we're about to get ready to go to dinner. We're about to go to the Pirates Voyage in Myrtle Beach, so that should be pretty fun. Now I'm getting dressed, about to do my makeup. Now we're doing Pirates Voyage dinner, which should be really fun. And it's gonna be like a show. Yeah. So we're just waiting for everybody to come. Yeah, this is the outfit. Cute, right? It's a black top with some shorts. I got this from a local boutique. It's cute. Ooh, look how cute this setup is. It's so cute. This is so neat. And this is our setup. So we got moved to the betters. Thank God. 'Cause this is
I could have sworn I did. Oh well, let us try it again. Here's one. You're a heart and head.
back from my beach trip. I hope y'all enjoyed the vlog. Yeah, I hope you got to see everything. I kind of sucked at vlogging because I was just so busy. I had a lot going on. But we stayed for about a week. We did so much. Obviously, we went to the beach. We saw a pirate show that was really cool. My favorite thing we did was parasailing. Honestly, I couldn't really get any footage of that, you know. Like we went on a banana boat to get to the main boat, and then we went parasailing off the main boat, which was really fun. That was like a 2-in-1. I really wanted to go jet skiing. I didn't get to do that, but I'll say that for Miami, baby. Yeah, so I had a really good time. It was a much needed vacation. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Catch y'all later.